How to copy Instagram profile link. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from AppGuide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can copy your Instagram profile link. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Now I will show you two things on how you can copy someone else's profile link versus how you can copy your own profile link. So in order to copy someone else's profile link, we have to simply open the app. Once you open the app, you can simply open any of the profile of whose link you might want to copy. So go ahead and open the profile, and all you have to do is on the top right hand side you can see those three vertical dot icons. So all you have to do is simply tap on those three dot icon. As soon as you tap on it, right at the bottom of the screen you'll find this option which says copy profile URL. So go ahead and tap on copy profile URL, and this is the way on how you can copy someone else's profile link on Instagram. But if you want to copy your own profile link, you will not be able to do so within the app. So in order to copy your own profile link, we have to simply head over to our browser, and once you go to your browser, what you can do is in the search box you want to simply go to instagram.com. so go ahead and type in instagram.com and log into your account. After you're logged in, what you want to do is from the very bottom right you'll be able to see a profile picture icon. All you have to do is simply tap on your profile picture icon and you'll be taken to your profile page. Once you go to your profile page, in the search bar you can see this link. Now this is our profile link, so if you go ahead and simply copy it, you can see there this is currently our Instagram profile link. If I copy it and then I show you, and if I open the new tab and then paste this link as well, it is going to basically redirect me to my own Instagram profile. So if I go ahead and simply paste that link, you can see it will redirect me to that person's profile. And this is the way on how you can copy someone else's Instagram profile link versus your own link. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubt, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.